it's me, Minion, and with me here is Penguin. Today we are going to take a look outside of my window to take a peek at nature. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. Wow, look at that red bird. There it goes. Look, there's another bird. Looks like the bird is jumping. Okay, that was a little peek outside of my window. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we will see you next time in one of our next videos. Bye.